The Empower series, offered in partnership with Comerica Bank, is a free monthly financial education and self-development coaching and counseling program. Each month, local or national experts address a financial education or an empowerment topic and share their testimony of overcoming adversity to achieve their goals. The Empower series enriches the lives of individuals in the communities where they live. The seminars are held in various locations, including the Highland Hills Library in Dallas and at the Houston Urban League Palm Center location. The goals of the series include to empower the masses to plan and organize for wealth and education within reach, to enrich lives by improving the money management decisions and financial literacy of students and adults, and to help people become better stewards of their resources, ideas, time, relationships, and money.